Hi viewers, next continuation class, 7th class Maths, Chapter 2. That is fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Okay, now I am going to explain exercise 1 in this second question already completed. Okay, now what is the second question? Arrange the following in ascending order. First you should know what is ascending order. Small to big. We have to arrange the given numbers from smaller number to bigger number. Okay, that is the meaning. We have to remember. See here, these are the fractions 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. We should arrange these given fractions in ascending order, small to big. If you see these fractions, can we know which is the smaller fraction, which is the greater fraction directly? No, we cannot find out. Why? Because these are unlike fraction. Whenever unlike fractions are there, we cannot find directly. First we should convert into that. First we have to convert that unlike fractions into like fractions. Okay, how we can convert it? What is like fraction? Then fractions which are having the same denominators or like fractions. See here, these are the unlike fractions. Why? Because different denominators are there. Okay, first you have to convert that into like fractions. First number is 5 by 8. Okay, common for this all the numbers. What is the common table you will get? 24. Okay, that I am taking 24 is the denominator. For 8 table, which table we should take and multiply? You will get the 24 here. 8 3s are. Okay. Here whatever you are taking table, same table you have to take for the numerator also. Now we should multiply. 5 3s are 15. Okay. 8 3s are 24. Okay. Next. Here 5 by 6. Next fraction is. For that we should take the 24 as the denominator. For 6 table, which table you can take and you have to multiply, you will get the 24. The table you can take here. So 4s are 4 tables. 6 4s are 24. Okay. Now whatever table here you are taking, same table you can take here also. Now multiply. 5 4s are 20. Okay. Next fraction 1 by 2. Okay. For this, how we can see 2 table. How we can, which table here? 12 table. 2 12s are 24. Numerator also same table you can take. 1 12s are 2. Okay. See, these are the like fractions. Why? Because these are all fractions having the same denominator, so we can call these are the like fraction. Now by directly by seeing only we can say which is the greater fraction, which is the smaller fraction. Okay. Now compare the numerators. Numerators you can compare which is the small, 12 is the small when compared to 15 and 20. So we are arranging ascending order, means small to big. Okay. Now ascending order. Ascending order is, see, 12 by 24. Next 15 by 24. Next 20 by 24. Okay. Corresponding fractions also you need to write. 1 by 2. Next 5 by 8. Next 5 by 6. This is the ascending order of the given fractions. Okay. After this, for this corresponding fractions also you will mention compulsory. Okay. Why? Because we are talking about these fractions. These are the equivalent fractions of these fractions. So not only a conclusion with this, you can write this also. Okay. I hope you understood. Next I am going to next second part. This is the first part completed. Second bit. Here second bit is given that 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 3 by 10. See, here also unlike fractions. Okay, all are having different denominators, means we can call unlike fractions. Whenever unlike fractions are there, first we need to convert into like fractions. Okay, for these three tables, 5, 3, 10 table. Okay, what is the common table we have? 30 table, right? So here I am taking 30 as the denominator LCM. For these three numbers LCM is 30. Okay, 5 6 are 30. Okay, so 6 table we can take here. 2 6 are 12. Okay, next 1 by 3. Here which table we can take? For 3 10 table. Okay, 1 tens are 10. Next 3 by 10. For this which table we can take to get 30? Okay, 3 table. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now we are converted into like fractions. Now ascending order you can write. After getting like fractions you can write the ascending order. Okay, see, compare the numerators. 10, 9, 12. Okay, which is the small? 9. Why? Because ascending, small to big. Okay, 9 by 30. Next small number 10 by 30. Next small number 12 by 30. Corresponding fractions also 3 by 10. Okay, next 1 by 3. Next fraction is 2 by 5. These are the ascending order of the given fractions. Okay, thank you.